Hi friends, welcome to GK by Srihari. The largest national park in India is option C Amish National Park. A traditional painting of Odisha is option B Patachitra. New Delhi's Lotus Temple was designed by an architect from option B Iran. Gnana Saraswati Temple of Southern India is located at option A Basar. International Ozone Day is celebrated on option D 16th September. The Saraswati Saman Award is given in the field of option B Literature. Fang Cholam is a folk dance of option B Manipur. Before going further into the video, just comment any three reasons why Modi became Prime Minister for the third time. The headquarters of the World Trade Organization is located at option A Geneva. The book A Brief History of Time is written by option D Stephen Hawking. The first recipient of the Gnanpith Award is option A G Sankara Karup. The term cherry picking is used in option C basketball. Google was founded in 1998 by Larry Page and option C Sergey Brin. The letter T in ATM stands for option A teller. India's first full-length talkie film was option D Alam Ara. The Abubachi Mela is held every year in Option A, Assam. The capital of France, known for Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum, is Option A, Paris. National Highway 18 does not pass through. Option A, Bihar. The single string musical instrument made using bamboo and a gourd, mostly used by traditional folk singers in Maharashtra, is Option D, Ektara. The festival celebrated by the Om people of Assam in memory of the departed is Option A, May Dam May 5. The Rigveda is divided into dash books or mandalas. Option B, 10. A Japanese word that means harbor wave is Option D, tsunami. People like small farmers and seasonal workers who regularly move and out of poverty are categorized as Option B, Cherningpur. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.